Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue our journey up I-85 North, beginning at mile 68 in Rowan County in North Carolina. Here, U.S. Highway 601 runs concurrent with I-85, and we're nearing the northern end of a widening project. The city of China Grove is just to our left along U.S. Highway 29. This isn't the China Grove the Doobie Brothers sang about, that one's in Texas. This China Grove is a small city of 4,216. The elevation here is 846 feet or 258 meters above sea level. We're not quite into the mountains yet. We haven't seen any major elevation changes because I-85 runs through the Piedmont, a plateau region between the Atlantic coastal plain and the Appalachian Mountains. We enter the city of Salisbury, and US 601's concurrency ends at exit 75. Founded in 1753, Salisbury is noted for its historic preservation, with 5 local historic districts and 10 National Register historic districts. Salisbury is home to North Carolina soft drink Cheerwine and regional supermarket Food Lion. It's one of 2 cities in North Carolina to have gigabit capacity through its municipally owned broadband system, Fibrant. In 2015, Salisbury's Fibrant system became capable of 10 gigabit capacity town-wide. It is thought to be the only town-owned system in the world with such capacity. Salisbury has a population of 34,001. Here, US 52 joins I-85. Note that US 52, an even-numbered highway, is bannered north and south in North Carolina. US Highway 52 runs from the southeast in South Carolina over 2,000 miles northwest to the Canadian border in North Dakota and is bannered either north-south or east-west depending on its orientation wherever it happens to be. This is contradictory to the typical convention of even-numbered U.S. highways and interstates being bannered east-west, and odd-numbered highways being bannered north-south. After I-85 exits the Salisbury city limits, the towns of Spencer and East Spencer are to our left, and a small part of East Spencer overlaps I-85 near exit 79. The two towns collectively have a population of 4,868 and are named for Samuel Spencer, the first president of the Southern Railway, who is credited with the establishment of the railroad's mechanical shops at the site in 1896. The site was approximately the midpoint of the railroad's main line between Atlanta, Georgia and Washington, D.C.
Watching it end again and again. I feel it in waves you follow me, drifting to places I should leave, so close to the edge of something so perfect. We were too scared to take the leap. I'm missing the way we used to be. Let me go. Left me in this mess I'm falling. Never know. Can't find a reason why. Couldn't get any closer. Can't find a reason why. Couldn't get any closer. Can't find a reason why. Couldn't get any closer.
We enter Davidson County, which has an estimated population of 164,926. The county was named after Brigadier General William Lee Davidson, an American Revolutionary War general killed at the Battle of Cowan's Ford on the Catawba River in 1781.
Try to forget all that we had. I'm rolling like water in the sea. The memories crashing in.
After passing exit 84, we pick up two more concurrent highways, US 29 North, which we've seen a number of times along I-85, and US 70 East, which we've encountered in a previous video at the Arkansas-Tennessee border near Memphis.
Let me go. Left me in this mess I'm falling. Never know. Can't find a reason why. Couldn't get any closer. Can't find a reason why. Couldn't get any closer. Can't find a reason why. We couldn't get any closer. We couldn't get any closer.
At exit 87, all three of the U.S. highways that have been piggybacked onto I-85 abruptly exit and we enter the city of Lexington, county seat of Davidson County. Lexington has an estimated population of 19,105. Lexington calls itself the barbecue capital of the world. Since 1984, the city has hosted the Lexington Barbecue Festival, one of the largest street festivals in North Carolina. As of 2003, the city has over 20 barbecue restaurants, an average of more than one per each 1,000 residents. We conclude this video at exit 88. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at shop.spreadshirt.com/504roadtrips. If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share, and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.